know the details of your health insurance and how it can benefit you.
We're happy to be joined by Deb Kaplan-Lewis from United Healthcare, and she's here to discuss how you can make the most of your Medicare coverage in 2018. Deb, welcome here to CT Style.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah.
Deb, who is covered by Medicare?
Basically, those individuals that are 65 and older, or those that have acquired Medicare by virtue of being disabled.
Okay.
All right. What would you recommend to people who fall under that category? I mean, in reaching out to you guys, or?
Understand what your benefits are. You know, millions of Medicare beneficiaries this past fall had the opportunity to reevaluate their Medicare coverage, and hopefully they chose a plan that best meets their health care and financial needs. And the work doesn't end there. Now is the time to really understand what the benefits and plans are within their health plan offering that can help them to stay healthy and potentially save some money.
Because there's all different sorts of plans. You really have to read through them.
Oh, absolutely. And they've already selected their plan.
Okay.
Now is the time that they should take advantage of what their plan offers. So, for instance, all Medicare plans cover preventative screenings, such as annual wellness exams or colorectal cancer screenings, mammograms.
Get to the doctor there, right?
So important for individuals to take advantage of that so they can diagnose health problems early before they become more serious.
Yeah.
And Medicare Advantage plans, in addition to covering everything that original Medicare covers, offer additional benefits and services, such as coverage for vision, hearing, wellness programs, all services that can really help people stay healthy.
Yeah.
So it's important for them to understand what those are.
And what do you recommend someone do? Read a booklet or contact someone, talk to someone? How do they know all these benefits?
There are lots of different resources that individuals can access. If they're enrolled in a Medicare Advantage plan, they can call the number on the back of their card and learn, in terms of saving money, for example, what are the plan discounts that might be offered. Some health plans offer plan discounts for over-the-counter vitamins and minerals, incontinence products. United Healthcare offers significant discounts on hearing aids, coverage for glasses, and understanding even free gym memberships.
Oh, nice.
bonus.
Even better, right?
Even free gym memberships. So understanding what all those services and benefits are can really go a long way in helping seniors to both save money as well as stay healthy.
And that's what you guys are here for with United Healthcare. Tell us a little bit about why United Healthcare is different from some of the other providers out there.
Oh, United Healthcare offers many additional benefits and services. We own a hearing aid company, for instance, so that we can extend significant discounts for hearing aids to individuals. We've gone a long way in terms of trying to improve our customer service offerings, as well as all of our additional benefits for members to help them. We have a mission to help our individuals stay healthy and well.
Sure.
It sounds like you guys are doing a good job with that.
We are. We're proud of what we're doing. We take it very seriously. Healthcare is a serious
Absolutely.
issue.
Right. And any additional resources people should reach out to?
Absolutely. So if they want to go online, they can visit MedicareMadeClear.com or Medicare.gov. If they want to pick up the phone and call, they can call 1-800-MEDICARE. Or if they're enrolled in a Medicare Advantage plan, on the back of their card is a number they can also call 1-800-NUMBER to find out all of the additional benefits, services, and discounts that might be available through their health plan.
There you go. It's all on the screen right there. So take advantage of that so you know what you're dealing with.
Deb, thank you so much for joining us today on CT Style.
Oh, my pleasure. Thank you.
Great to have you here. All right, stay with us. More CT Style coming up after the break.